This is Nilfisk Aero 31 vacuum cleaner. It's compact and versatile wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It's designed for both professional and home use, and it's commonly used for cleaning dust, dirt and liquids in workshops, construction sites and other environments. This vacuum has a power socket with auto on-off, and it activates the machine by the connected drilling, sanding or cutting tool. I think it's a perfect machine for cleaning up construction debris such as dust, sawdust, drywall, or other small debris. Its ability to handle wet cleaning tasks like cleaning up water spills is another major advantage. You can use it in workshops and factories. The Aero 31 Inox can be used in woodworking or metalworking shops to pick up fine dust from sanding, cutting or grinding. Stainless steel constructions ensures it withstands the harsh conditions of these environments. You can use it in food production areas with HEPA or HEPA filter option. The Aero 31 Inox is suitable for cleaning areas where hygiene is critical, such as food production facilities and stuff like that. You can use it in automotive shops, ideal for cleaning up oil spills or coolant leaks and other debris in automotive workshops. The wet and dry vacuum function is especially useful in situations where spills are common. You can use it for cleaning outdoors. The corrosion-resistant nature of the stainless steel tank makes it an excellent option for outdoor environment where moisture or exposure to chemicals could damage other equipment. I think this Nilfisk Aero 31 Inox or Inox is a high-performance vacuum designed for industrial and professional application where both wet and dry cleaning is required. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, resistance to rust, and extended longevity, making it ideal for harsh and demanding environments. Whether you're working in construction zone, workshop, or food production facility, this vacuum is built to handle heavy-duty tasks while maintaining consistent suction power. It's very compact, powerful and versatile, and it requires very low maintenance. It makes excellent investment for any business needing a reliable, long-lasting vacuum cleaner. If you need a vacuum that stands up to tough cleaning challenges, this particular one, Aero 31 Inox, is a highly recommended choice. Well, I'm going to assemble it, use it, and see what happens. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.